How to view amp gain and sound intensity using hearDELIGHT. hearDELIGHT displays graphs of amplifier gain and output sound intensity based on audiogram and gain formula. Audiogram is a chart of hearing loss in decibel at different frequencies. Gain formula is a rule that decides how much each sound frequency should be amplified based on your audiogram. You can choose one of the three gain formulas in hearDELIGHT. To see the graph, we select Custom Settings as in Step 3. Here, we select a standard audiogram, moderate hearing loss for the left ear and mild hearing loss for the right ear, as shown in Step 6 and 7. We can select the gain formula at the advanced setting as in 11. hearDELIGHT offers three gain formulas. Here, we select NAL-NL2, as shown in 13. By selecting View Amp Gain as shown in Step 16, you can see the amplifier gain across different frequencies. By selecting View Sound Intensity as shown in Step 19, you can see the output sound intensity across different input sound intensity. For details, please visit hearDELIGHT.com. Thank you.